What's up? What's good? It's your boy, Tommy Springfield, aka the King of All Talk, back up in here with another one of them videos. But before I get into all that, what I really want to know is, how y'all doing out there? And as you can see, I got my blunt. I got the video queued up. If you like what I do, hit that like, share, subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notifications when I'm doing these videos. And remember, everybody, these just my opinions. Don't get emotional. You know, I just don't do the race thing. If the person is black, I call it down the line. If the video is about white people, I call it down the line. You know why? Because I know the secret. We all on the same goddamn team. That's it. We all on the same team. It's the people against the system. As soon as we figure that out, we can make this a better place. But enough of me talking. Let's get into the video. This is the 4-minute video of the New York subway shooting. Let's get into it. Now, as you can see, you got a big black dude threatening who we'll find out to be, I think they're white or Spanish, dude and this girl. So we clearly identifying that the black dude is the aggressor. We clearly identifying that. So nobody make no misconception on what I see. You see, he's all in the dude face. You ain't seen them people get up and said nothing to him. He said, the minute you move, I'm gonna beat you up. See, now, I'm gonna pause it right there now. I'm gonna pause it there. So, as everybody's seen, I let it roll for 1 minute and 30 seconds. This black dude just accosted these people, just was disrespecting these people, told him the minute he moved, he gonna beat him up and all of that. He looks to be by himself, but I don't know. Let's continue. And now we finally see the dude gets up to defend himself. We see the black dude is much bigger than the little white dude or Spanish dude, whatever he is. So let's continue to watch the video.
Move, baby girl.
Baby's on here. What you trying to do? What you trying to do?
Now, see, the little dude ain't really trying to fight. He probably scared, you know what I'm saying? And he just trying to move around and keep space between him and the black dude. And you see the black dude study being the tough guy, right? Remember, people out there playing tough in the movies, it's all cool. Because the director yells cut instead of the movie. But when you play tough in real life, it's consequences to that shit. Doesn't matter if you black, white, green, there's consequences to it. Let's see what the consequences gonna be today. Look, black dude doing all that clown stuff they do. Dude really just dude was just trying to buy time. Ooh, 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 ooh. Don't know who she was, but she made a move. Let's go back and see what she did. Now, if she's with him and that's her boyfriend, just to let everybody know, Tommy Springfield think that she has every right to do what she did. Let's see what she do. Let's go back. Oh, she poking him. She was poking. Oh, you see? Oh, yeah, she stabbed him. Yep. You heard him? You stabbed me? You stabbed me? You stabbed me? You stabbed me? You heard him? Ooh. I think she got him like twice, too. I gotta see that again.
Get them off. Get them.
Consequences, folks. Remember consequences. You stab me?
Get them off.
Hey, man. Anybody know her name and number, man? Was that her boyfriend? She looking for a boyfriend? I like me a crazy chick.
Get them.
Yup, they go to blood. See the blood? Now you see, I guess that knife wound got him a little woozy. He thought about get this nigga. Brother, you started it. You are the aggressor. And there's consequences to playing tough guy. And you black, brother. You supposed to know that, man. Come on, brother. You got what you got. So far, it's not over, though. Not over. Let's keep it rolling. Look, he's leaking. Ooh, he's leaking. She stabbed him good. He's getting woozy. You stab me?
I got you. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. Stop. I got you. This is true, but that's I ain't do nothing. Keep your lock up. I ain't do nothing. You ain't feeling the man situation. You don't end up bleeding.
Oh, he got a pistol? Oh, he got a pistol now. Oh, not yet. He had something, though. You stabbed me, right? Oh, he going in his pocket. Everybody should have rushed him, man. Oh, he cocked it back. Oh, yeah, he got a pistol.
I'm getting out. No, I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. Get that over there, baby. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. So, what we know is, because news reports will tell us, so let's go look it up. What we know is, what we seen was them fighting. We seen the black dude being the aggressor. I'm sorry, I'll be having sometimes hard time. So what we know is New York man would not face charges for self-defense shooting on the Brooklyn subway. So what we know is do not go into jail. So no charges are being filed against 32-year-old man who fired a gun on the New York subway. Let me blow that up. Yesterday's shooting inside a subway car was shocking and deeply unsettling. A spokesman for the Brooklyn District Attorney's Office said in a statement Friday, the investigation into this tragic incident is ongoing, but at this stage, evidence of the self-defense precludes us from filing any charges against the shooter. The 36-year-old shooting victim was armed with a knife and gun and acting as the aggressor when he entered the northbound A train in Brooklyn around 4:45 p.m. according to law enforcement. The 36-year-old later got into a dispute with the 32-year-old subway rider and pulled out a gun, police said. He was disarmed by the 32-year-old and shot with his own gun, according to police. So what we saw was the argument, the fight, the antagonizing, and yeah, big man got what he got. He got what he deserved. You know what I'm saying? But I'm pretty sure, I hope we don't, this is 4 weeks old, so there was no rallies. There was none of that. Definitely not needed because he was the aggressor and he got what he got. And I know people ain't gonna agree with that, but he got what he got. That's what he deserved. And like I always say, if you like what I do over here, click the share, like, subscribe, click the bell, so you can then hit all so you can get them notifications. And if you're a supporter of the channel, much love and respect. And if you're one of them haters, cut the shit.